If you use Notion every day, these 3 simple tricks will save you a lot of time. If your page looks crowded or hard to read, you can hide sections using a toggle. Just type / create a toggle. And move the content inside. Then collapse it, and everything stays neatly organized, so you only open what you need. And now you can see the whole page is structured with toggle sections, clean, organized, and much easier to navigate without feeling overwhelmed. Notion can remind you about important tasks automatically. Just type a date and time, and set a reminder. Now Notion will notify me at that time, and if I need to change it later, I can just click the date and edit it anytime. If you need the same content again, you don't have to rewrite it. Just select what you want and duplicate it instantly. Now I have an exact copy, ready to use again. And if I want to change something, I can edit each copy separately. Small shortcuts, big time savings.